Hello everyone, welcome to Matt Full Time. We are back after a 6-month hiatus. 6 months? I think it's about 6 months. The last time you saw a vlog just like this, I was in the middle of August. And then what happened is I got a proper job. So I was not Matt Full Time at that point. I was a full-time employee. For various reasons, had to go and do that. And we're now in February 2026, and now I don't have to do that anymore. So I'm back to being Matt Full Time, and I thought, well, let's restart this channel then. Let's see where we've got from back in August when we published all those long form videos, and then let's see where we are in February. So I'm going to go through that. I've got the spreadsheet, the tracking spreadsheet. We're back to aiming for long form video every week. So every single week we'll be posting a long form video, and then I'll also post some shorts in between. But I am back to daily tracking as well. So I want to see what difference it makes, the progress that we make, all of that kind of good stuff. It's really interesting actually to look back and see like my Twitter followers has gone down as I've just completely neglected the account. Well, and I suppose a good thing to do is just go over to that tracking sheet, and I can show you where we were at the end of August. I think that's what it is, the numbers I'm going to show you, and then where we are now, and I'll keep doing these vlog updates, maybe every week, maybe every couple of weeks, just to give you an update of what's going on. It really depends on the milestones that we hit. You know, like once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be like super excited to come and do it, regardless of where we are in the schedule, I'm sure. All right, let's jump over to the tracker then. So I'm on my MacBook camera on the tracker, so sorry about that for the quality. We are looking at, if you take a look then, the one on February, it's February the 2nd at the time of recording this. So if you look at the one, that is actually the end of August. I think pretty much the end of August. So we were on 10 Twitter followers. We're now on 9, so it's gone down a little bit. YouTube subscriber wise, we've added just under 100 subscribers there. So we were on 98 before, we're on 192 now. I think a few more since I posted this as we've restarted the channel. Instagram is 90, so again I've lost 1 follower on Instagram. You know, the thing is, when I post the shorts, I plan on posting them across those socials as well. So I expect that they will go up a little bit as we post more of those. I'll be rehashing some of the content on the videos that I've got, so don't think that we can't do that. I've got, I don't know, whatever it is, 14 videos on there. Yes, I'm going to be telling people all about those because they're good videos. They didn't get enough publicity, I would say, in August, so why would we not use them again? My next video is going to be in the promotion playlist, so if you followed along, we had planning, producing, publishing and promotion. They're my 4 Ps. And we've got no video in the promotion, and I'm going to talk about Reddit today. So I'm excited about that next long form video. You'll be able to check that out after this one. And yeah, and it will continue to help us promote the rest. So then we've got TikTok 565, 588 on TikTok. I have actually posted a short form piece of content on the channel as well. So since August, so that's why that's increased slightly. I've also followed a few people, and of course they follow you back and all that kind of jazz. CRM contacts, so we've had 1 new lead, even though we've not posted at all really. We've had 1 new lead, and then YouTube views has gone up from 1,420 to 1,700. So we'll be hitting the 2,000 views milestone very soon, I'm sure. And just notice the watch hours. So we've added another 11 watch hours as well. That's pretty good. It still means we'll take months and months and months to get to 4,000, but I'm not really bothered about that at this point. I just want to see progress. I want this tracker to show us daily and weekly progress, and that's what I'm looking forward to. All right, so if you're interested in following along, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I say, I will do these vlogs, but I will also be producing some content that actually helps you with your YouTube channel. So if you're getting started, or if you've started, but maybe you've fallen off the wagon like I have and demonstrated in this video, then you're welcome to come and follow us. And maybe I can give you a bit of motivation to keep going as well. All we're aiming for is just 1 long form piece of content, and then maybe 2 or 3 shorts every week, and we should make the progress that we're expecting on YouTube. All right, my name is Matt Hughes, King Video. This is Matt Full Time. I'll see you soon.